And we have the third practice here. It will be speed calculator. The speed, the formula is distance in kilometers slash time in hours. Okay, let's go. So we will print some welcome text like speed calculator, for example. And now we will ask about these two things, about distance and time. So distance, it's in kilometers, so we can put there in a t, or we can use float. So for example, I will use float here. It's up to you. I will write distance, kilometers, something like this. And I will ask about time. Float, again, I can put there float. But yes, it's in hours, so it can be 3.2 or 3.5, right, and so on. So I will put there float, for example. Time, it will be in hours. Okay. And now I will print it and check the code if everything is okay. I suppose there will be no error. Distance 20 kilometers and time will be 1 hour, for example. Okay, I can see that here should be a space, right? Because it looks weird here. Great. It's good. I will clear it again. So now we can calculate the speed. So speed, and it's distance slash time. So distance slash time, and I will print it right away with text. Okay, so speed, and again we can round it because in some situations it can be helpful. Speed, and I put there 1, for example, only one only one decimal number, and write kilometers per hours. Okay, so we will check it. So distance 63 kilometers, time will be, it's float, so I will put there 0.75, so it means 45 minutes, right? And the speed is 84 kilometers per hours. Okay, I think it works fine. So this is speed calculator.